TN, kaunti ya Mombasa.
Naam, tukitoka Mombasa sasa tuelekee kaunti ya Bomet. Wakazi wa eneo bunge la Bomet Mashariki wana kila sababu ya kutabasamu baada ya Wizara ya Uchukuzi kuzindua ujenzi wa barabara ya kilomita 75. Mbunge wa eneo hilo Richard amesema kwamba uzinduzi huo akimtaka mwanakandarasi aliyekabidhiwa kazi hiyo kuhakikisha kwamba ujenzi huo unakamilika katika muda uliowekwa.
This road is not going to be made like the one which has been done before. You saw the one which started from Silibwet all the way to Olongruani. That was a very low volume road. And then this one, the president has given instruction, even the minister himself has told the contractor in front of myself that the road has to be made as an example to other roads to be made. You know, there is another one in Jebalungu which was done before. There is another one in the Murwa Digiri which is they're already in very deplorable state. This one you are going to see. There will be no potholes in this road. In fact, even there were some areas which I told the Chinese and the people who are making this road, I don't want to see any substandard work in this road.
Now,